In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the perfect skin tones in Lightroom. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, achieving natural and flattering skin tones can really transform your photos. So let's dive right in and take this step by step. First, you'll need to open up Lightroom and import the photo you want to work on. If you're not familiar with this process, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Launch the application and then head over to the File menu. From there, click on Import and you'll be prompted to select the photo you want to work with. Once imported, you'll see the image displayed on your screen, ready for editing. Now, once your photo is nicely placed in Lightroom, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option there labeled Develop. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. The Develop module is where you'll be making most of the adjustments to perfect those skin tones. With the Develop module open, shift your focus to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Tone Curve panel. This is an essential tool for fine-tuning the tonal range of your image. The tone curve allows you to make precise adjustments to the highlights, midtones, and shadows, which can greatly affect how skin tones appear. Additionally, right below the tone curve, you'll find the color mixer. This is another powerful tool at your disposal. With the color mixer, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of individual colors. Pay close attention to this panel, especially the red, orange, and yellow sliders, as these colors are most prevalent in skin tones. Tweaking these can help you correct any unwanted color casts and bring out the natural colors in the skin. After making these adjustments, take a step back and evaluate your image. It's important to ensure that the skin tones look natural and do not appear too saturated or washed out. Remember, each photo is unique, so you might need to make more or fewer adjustments to get the result you're looking for. Finally, don't hesitate to make micro adjustments if necessary. This might involve going back and forth between the tone curve and the color mixer until you get the perfect skin tone. Keep an eye on the overall balance and harmony of colors in your photo. Before you wrap up, compare the edited image with your original to see the transformation you've achieved. That's it. With these simple steps, you can vastly improve the skin tones in your photos using Lightroom. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and refining your skills. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.